Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make shark. It is a requested video from artist 24/7. It is for you, bro. Now we're gonna learn how to make shark step by step in easy way. As usual, we're gonna add a sphere and we're gonna reshape it according to the concept. And this is the concept which I have selected. And let's see, we're gonna just spread it out and give it a shape. And remember, smooth it out. Whenever you do anything, just smooth it out. And I have make a hotkey for Z remesher and the same, and have whatever I need I kept on top. And you can see my brushes on top what I use, so you guys can easily use, and what to use you'll see. And I'm just pulling some mesh for his eyes and giving a shape. I'm looking whatever I can fix and wherever I can change shape, I'm doing that just for the sake, like I don't want to have any kind of problems in future, so I just kept it really low and really clean. As you can see, I didn't do any zero measure yet, and I'm just giving a basic shape. With this standard brush, I'm digging some hole for his mouth. Now you guys can see I am running out of mesh and I can't do anything with it. It's getting way too clustered, which I really don't like to work with. So I did a zero measure. With this, it is a little bit easier to work with. Now you can see I'm digging a hole, not a hole, but giving a shape for his mouth. Since this shark is smiling, so I have to dig a little bit deeper and a little bit wider, so it will give a really good look. And guys, again, don't do subdivisions in early stage. In early stages, you just want to make it the basic shape. Just make a silhouette that you want it. After that, you can give maybe 10 subdivisions, 20 subdivisions, as much as you can, your PC can handle it. But at the beginning, just go with this lowest subdivisions and just try to make a silhouette. You'll get to know how it's gonna look at the end. If you have subdivisions in the beginning, you'll be confused how to make it, how to handle it. Now you can see I just did a smile on his face, and I'm trying to give a definition. What's the body and where's the curves. And as you can see, it's not thicken enough, so I'm just pulling the mesh more, so it will have a proper shape to work with. I'm gonna change the shape until I feel like it's gonna be okay. It looks like okay. It's be fine to work with until I'm gonna do that. And you can see now I'm pulling more mesh for his tail, and zero measure, it helps ton. Just use it and you will see how good is it. And guys, I'm not using 10 brushes, 20 brushes. I'm using max 5 brushes. With these 5 brushes or 4 brushes, you can create really good characters, or I must say sculpts. And remember, whenever you're using any brush, keep your intensity, Z intensity, fairly low. It's not gonna like damage your mesh really bad, or it's not gonna like so smooth that it won't make any changes. It will just have it little bit. If you're gonna add Z intensity way too high, if you keep really high, then it will be a problem for you. Now as you can see, I just pull his wings, like now I'm keeping a shape. From the front it will be a thick, the back it will be a really thin. So for thinness I'm doing a pinch brush, as you can see here. I did it, now I'm shaping more. Whenever you see the mesh is getting stretched or hard to work with, just do a same Z remesher. It will keep your polygons in the same level, and it will just give you a defined, not defined, just spread, even spread mesh. As you can see, I'm cleaning the tail, and you can see this brush, it's really nice and really, like if you have a really thin mesh somewhere, if you want to add a little bit thickness to it, use this brush. It's really nice and it's really good. Now I'm trying to make a fin. Just pull it, shape it, Z remesh it, and smooth it. That's it. Honestly, that's what I do in all video. Just you need to know where to pull it and where to smooth it. That's it. Practice, practice, and practice. It will make you really good. As you can see, I'm rotating my character a lot so that I can know where to work with now and where to adjust or where to smooth. That will help really good. Now, as you can see, now I can't do anything with that mesh, so I did a subdivision and I'm not going very high. Till I'm making a character. Once I finish the character, I can go as much as I want to. As much as I want to make more detail. Now I'm keeping fairly low. Now you can see it's just a second subdivision and I can make it whatever I need it to now. Now here with this damp standard, and I'm giving a sharp edges. Now here I'm trying to make a tail a little bit thin. Again, I'm using damp standard brush to give to decrease the line, to define more his face and lips. Here I'm masking the upper jaw so that I can dig more inside. Now just give a detail with the damp standard brush. Same thing for the lower jaw. Do the same thing. Just push it in, shape it, and damp standard brush, smooth it. That's it. Now you already can see it is already done, but it still need to little bit adjust, which I'm gonna do. Now this sphere is gonna be his teeth. I'm using simple method. I'm just pulling the sphere down, and with the pinch brush I'm just sharpening it. Not this sharp, a little bit, not this much, it's way too much. Shape it with the move brush and scale it down. It will look fairly good enough. You can use this, or you can spend some more time and you can make it more realistic, but this is a stylized character, you don't need to. Now I'm hiding lower jaw and the body. With the upper jaw I can create the flow of the teeth. For this you just need to hit Control and drag it. What it will do, it will duplicate and mask the previous mesh. Adjust it the way you want it to. And here what I did a group, auto group for the polygons, polygroup. I mirror it in Y axis. Now I'm gonna select and split hidden. What it will do, it will hide and it will divide, separate the hidden subtools. Now I'm here just using I'm just trying to make it proper with the move brush. Always see for the symmetry, is it on or is it off? Here you can see I have subdivided my body 4 subdivisions. With this I can add details, crease, edges, whatever you need. With the higher subdivisions you can do. I'm smoothing the edges. I don't want any kind of splinter or something or hole. Now I have used damp standard brush to make a body shape, so just to divide it and smooth it out. Now same thing I'm doing for his gills. With that I have smoothed it. Now I'm using pinch brush to close the ends. Now I'm using standard brush for paint. What you're gonna do, you're gonna select some color and mask it. Mask the faces which you don't want it to get paint. Here you can see I'm trying to make small strokes with my pen, so it will have a proper curve. And just hit fill object, and you can find this in color on top left. And if you have a you can see there is a difference between blue and gray. There is a white small line. You can do smooth with RGB. Now here I'm painting his eyes in white. I'm painting white color for his teeth. Now I'm selecting upper jaw, and inside I'm gonna paint a pinkish you can color whatever you guys like, but I'm going for the default things. And remember, I have changed the gray into white later on. So that's it, guys.